Hello students, now we are at part 8 of equilibrium. Ionization of weak electrolytes. When acetic acid is dissolved in water, it dissociates partially into H positive and H3O positive and CH3COO negative ions as CH3COOH plus water. It gives CH3COO negative and H3O positive. Now try to write its equilibrium constant in the same way. CH3COO negative molar concentration, H3O positive molar concentration divided by CH3COOH in and molar concentration of water. In dilute solution, concentration of water is constant. The product of K and constant molar concentration of water. The product K and molar concentration of water is denoted by Ka. Now what is Ka? Ionization constant or dissociation constant of the acid. So Ka is equal to K equilibrium molar concentration of water and is equal to molar concentration of CH3COO negative and molar concentration of H3O positive divided by molar concentration of the acid. Now there is no water molecule which you can see in the expression of Ka. If C represents the initial concentration of the acid in mole per liter and alpha the degree of dissociation, then equilibrium concentration of the ions H3O positive and CH3CO negative is equal to C alpha, and that of the undissociated acetic acid is equal to C into 1 minus alpha. Therefore we have, let us start with this, initial concentration is C and there is no dissociation, so 0 for both of the ions. After time t, it will become C minus C alpha and both the ionic concentration will become C alpha into C alpha. Now write the expression for Ka and put all the values, then Ka will become C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha after rearrangement. In case of weak electrolyte, the value of alpha is very small and can be neglected in comparison to 1. That is 1 minus alpha is equal to 1. Hence, alpha is equal to under the root Ka upon C. If V is the volume of the solution in liters containing 1 mole of the electrolyte, then C is equal to 1 upon V. Then we will have alpha is equal to under the root Ka into V. For a weak base like NH4OH, we have alpha is equal to under the root Kb upon C. Alpha is equal to under the root Kb into V. For a weak electrolyte, the degree of ionization is inversely proportional to the square root of molar concentration or directly proportional to the square root of volume containing 1 mole of solute. This is called Ostwald's dilution law. Now what is dissociation or ionization of acids and bases? Acids like HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, when dissolved in water, dissociates almost completely, thus producing a large number of H positive ions. These acids are called strong acids. Acids like CH3COOH, HF, H2CO3, H3PO4 dissociates only to a small extent in the aqueous solution, giving small amount of H positive ions and hence are called weak acids. Bases like NaOH, KOH dissociates almost completely in the aqueous solution, producing a large number of OH negative ions and are called strong bases. Bases like NH4OH, COH twice, AlOH thrice dissociate only to a small extent in the aqueous solution and are therefore called weak bases. The dissociation of weak acids or weak bases in water can be represented. CH3COH and water, it gives CH3CO negative and H3O positive. NH3 and water, it gives NH4 positive and OH negative. If a weak acid is represented by Ha, its dissociation in water can be represented by the equilibrium Ha plus water. It gives A negative and H3O positive. Applying the law of chemical equilibrium, the expression constant will be Ka is equal to H3O positive and A negative upon molar concentration of Ha. As usual, the method is same for writing equilibrium constant. As water is solvent, its concentration is large and remains almost constant. So here water is not shown. Now take one more example. It can be written as Ka is equal to H positive, A negative, weak. It's for weak acid upon Ha weak. Ha is weak acid. It can be written as, knowing the value of dissociation constant of the acid Ka, the concentration of weak acid Ha taken, concentration of H3O positive or H positive in the solution can be calculated as. How it can be calculated? Take this example. Ha, when dissolved in water, it gives H positive and A negative. Initial concentration of Ha is C mole per liter. Initial concentration of H positive is 0. Initial concentration of A negative is 0. Final concentration of Ha at equilibrium is C minus X. Final concentration of H positive at equilibrium is XM. M stands for molar. Final concentration of A negative at equilibrium is again X. Therefore, what will be the expression of Ka? Ka will be, what was Ka? It was molar concentration of H positive, molar concentration of A negative divided by molar concentration of acid Ha. So Ka is equal to X multiply X divided by C minus X. So Ka is equal to X square upon C minus X. X is very small as compared to initial concentration C. X can be neglected in comparison to C. Hence the equation is simplified to the form Ka is equal to X square upon C. X is equal to under the root Ka upon multiply C. The dissociation of weak base in water can be represented by the equilibrium BOH. BOH means its base. When dissolved in water, it gives B positive and OH negative. So Kb is equal to molar concentration of B positive, molar concentration of OH negative divided by total molar concentration of BOH.